Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we'll read from a text file and write in a target file only those lines which are starting with @. To open source file, we have to write fin open sample.txt, read mode. To open the target file, we have to write fout is equal to open target.txt, double mode. Here we want to open sample.txt and read each line and write only those lines which are starting with @ in the target file. We have to open sample.txt in read mode and target.txt in write mode. Now we'll read the first line. For that we have to write text is equal to fin dot read line. If there is no data in the source file, means if the length of the text file is 0, then we will simply come out of the loop. For that we have to write if len text double is equal to 0, then break. Now we want to check whether the lines are starting with @. If it will start with @, then we have to write those lines in the target file. For that, first we will check the initial letter. If text 0 is equal to @, then we want to write the line in the target file. Fout dot write text will do this job. Now we'll continue the loop until the end of file will occur. For that we have to write continue. Now we'll close both the files. To close the file, we have to write fin.close and fout.close. To read from the target file, we have to open the target file again in read mode, and to see the data in the target file, we have to write print fout.readlines. Now reading job is done. We can close the file. For that we have to write fout.close. We can execute the code to see the content of target file. As we are using read lines, the data are coming in the form of a list with /n. If we want to read without /n, then we have to use read. Again we'll execute the code. We will have 3 lines starting with @. Now we'll see the sample.txt file, which has 7 lines and only 3 lines are starting with @. Now we'll check the target file also, and you can see the target file has 3 lines, each line starting with @. Hope this video is beneficial to you. Thanks for watching.